Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, a video that could happen to any of you guys. After battery replacement, engine light is on. Okay, and this could happen to any car. Okay, we have that BMW E46 2005 model and we just put a new battery in it, guys. Okay, this is the old battery here. Okay, and let me go ahead and start it for you, and you're going to notice the engine light is on. Okay, let me turn it on quick. Okay, check it out, engine light is on. So stay with us, guys. We'll diagnose it and see how to fix that. Okay, we're going to use that little scanner. We have the big professional Altel right here, guys, but something like that will do the job. It's very inexpensive. We'll have the links for all the tools we use, okay, in the description of the video. So we're going to go ahead and find the OBD port. Okay, it's usually under the driver's steering wheel somewhere. Okay, so let's see. Now let's connect it quick. Okay, and we're going to turn the ignition on. Okay, I need to get the key, and with that little scanner you can check if your vehicle is ready for emissions. Okay, quite a few stuff. You can watch live data. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, connect the scanner. Now it's going to take a little bit of time, okay, to run all the protocols, register everything. Okay, and let's see what the problem will be now, because it's a little bit stressful. You put a new battery and you have an engine light on, but usually most of the times it's something simple, and you might just even need to reset the light. Okay, so it's almost ready. Okay, right here it's communicating now with the module. Okay, we have only one code found. Okay, do we want to erase previous data, or just say no, we don't need to record it this time? Okay, engine module right here, that's the engine computer. Okay, read codes. Let's read the codes. Stored codes. Okay, and let's see what we have right here. Okay, we have a specific BMW code, which is P16A3. Okay, so let's check what this one is. Alright guys, I did some research and it relates to the engine computer, but this could be just because you removed the car battery. We're going to erase the code now. Okay, let me focus. Erase code. Okay, let's click erase any trouble codes. Yes, erase. Then press any key to continue. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if the engine light is on now. Okay, let's go ahead and start it now, the moment of the truth. Okay, no engine light on. Okay, let's give it one more try. Okay. No engine light on. So all you have to do most of the times, guys, you just have to reset the engine light after battery replacement. But if you did everything right, don't worry, everything should be good. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.